Έχω ξεχάσει πια πόσες φορές έχω έρθει.
I haven't forgotten how many times I've been here.
Γιατί εδώ είναι η καρδιά της Ιεραποστολής.
Because here is the heart of the mission of the Orthodox Church.
Ξεκινάνε οι πρώτοι Ιεραποστολοί.
Here it starts the mission.
Έρχονται στην Αλεξάνδρεια στην Αίγυπτο και γνωρίζουν την Ορθοδοξία.
They came to Alexandria in Egypt to know the Orthodox Church.
Και μεταφέρουν αυτό το πνεύμα εδώ στην Καμπάλα.
And they bring that spirit here in Kampala, Uganda.
He has come to share with us those virtues of love, humility and peace. I thank all the Ugandans and especially our President, His Excellency, President Yoweri Museveni, for being there for us to see that we receive our Holy Father in this country. Soon from here we are going to meet him.
Ate olunaku olw'enkya ajja kuyimba liturgy entukuvu ku St. George and Andrew Erwemiyaga nga 19. Ate ng'ennaku z'omwezi 20 tujja kubeera ggulu mu Northern Diocese nga 21 tubeere e Jinja mu Eastern Diocese.